going to be showing you how to make 3 different Starbucks refresher drinks at home. The drinks are strawberry acai, pink drink, and the summer skies drink. So I'll start off by making the pink drink. I'm just gonna add some ice. I'm gonna start off with strawberry syrup. I'm gonna do a pump and a half. And strawberry ocean spray. And I'm just gonna fill that up to about there. Some coconut milk. I'm just gonna add that much, and then we'll see if we need any more. Mix it. Right, now that we have our pink drink, let's give it a taste test. It tastes exactly like a pink drink. For the pink drinks, I don't like the strawberries in there, but if you do want strawberries in there, all you have to use is freeze-dried strawberries. Now moving on to strawberry acai, ice in this cup. Pump of strawberry. Same white crayon strawberry ocean spray. I'm gonna use about that much, just like halfway full. And then I'm gonna use the strawberry lemonade. You can also do regular lemonade, but strawberry lemonade is just gonna give it a more strawberry flavor. So I'm gonna fill the rest of the cup with the strawberry. All right, now we're gonna mix it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the lemonade. Try it. Tastes exactly like a strawberry acai. Again, if you want the little strawberries in it, all you have to do is use freeze-dried strawberries and put them in. I'm making the summer skies drink. They recently just introduced this drink last summer. I hope they bring it back again. But, so here's how you're gonna make it. So you're gonna want ice. I'm going to be using these 2 syrups, the raspberry syrup and raspberry syrup, 3 pumps of blue raspberry, and then half a pump of raspberry. Then I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of the ocean spray. Tiny little bit, and then just another little tiny bit of the lemonade. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water in there, like that. And I'm gonna add some coconut milk. Okay, let's mix it around. Taste test it to see if it needs anything else. Alright, I feel like it just needs a little bit more of the lemonade, so I'm gonna fill it more with lemonade. Let's taste test it. Really made it the best, so I'm just gonna add just a tiny little bit more because that made it really good. Tastes so good. Now, for the best part, I can't forget about the boba pearls. I'm going to be using these raspberry pop boba pearl with like the juice inside. How many boba pearls you want, it just kind of depends on how much you like. I also like to add a bit of the juice. Okay, this is the summer skies drink. Let's have an official taste test. That tastes exactly like it. It tastes so good. And the lemonade, the strawberry lemonade really does bring it more summer skies. So definitely add more of this than you would think. So yeah, this is actually delicious. Guys are here, I thought I might make the pineapple drink. I don't have any more of these aesthetically pleasing cups, but I just have plain plastic cups. So yeah, let's try to make it. So I have never made this drink ever. So as I said, I've never made this before, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm gonna start off with this raspberry syrup. I'm just gonna add like 2 pumps. That much. And then I'm gonna add some of this passion fruit juice to it. Oh. That's actually so pretty. I'm gonna add a bit of the strawberry lemonade to it. Oh, that was too much. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this, of the raspberry juice. And I'm just gonna add a bit of blue raspberry, just like a pump. I'm gonna add a bit of the coconut milk. Because this is like a dragon drink that's... Let's mix it around. This is what it's looking like. I don't know where I went wrong. Maybe a little bit more of the blue will save it. I'm gonna add 1 more pump of the raspberry. I'm so confused right now. Okay, this looks questionable. Let's taste it. That is delicious. What? That is so good. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye.